Morning viewers, welcome again to my channel. Second matter, the solution to your math problems. This is Ghana Teacher Licensure Exams. This is for GHS Mathematics, April 2024, objective question 36. We have a probability question here. So let's read the question together. A bag contains 2 red, 5 blue, and 4 identical balls except for color. So we have 2 red balls, 5 blue balls, and then 4 white balls. Now 2 balls are drawn at random without replacement from the bag. So that is the condition. 2 balls are drawn at random without replacement from the bag. We have to find the probability that the 2 balls drawn are of the same color. So the first thing we need to do is that we need to find our sample space. Remember, with reference to this particular question, the sample space also refers to the total number of balls in the bag. Total number of balls in the bag. So let's quickly calculate the sample space. We know that for the red balls, we have 2 of them. For the blue balls, we have 5. And then for the white balls, we have 4. And this will give us a sum of 11. So that is the sample space. So what is the probability that the 2 balls selected at random from the bag are of the same color? So for the 2 balls to be of the same color, then these conditions must be satisfied. And it could be that the first 2 balls selected could be red, or the 2 balls selected could be blue, or the 2 balls selected could be white. So let's break it down. So it means that, so let's begin with the red. The first 2 balls selected can be red. So the first ball is red and the second ball is red. So that is the first condition. Or it could also be that the first ball selected is blue and then the second ball selected is also blue. Or lastly, you are looking at of the same color. The first ball selected could be white and the second ball could also be white. Remember, in probability language, the word "and" denotes multiplication, and then the word "or" represents addition. So that is what you should know. "And" represents multiplication, and then "or" represents addition. So let's begin with the red balls. So what is the probability of selecting a red ball from the bag? So first we have 2 red balls. So divided by the sample space, which is 11. Remember, "and" means multiplication. Now, there was a rule given in the question. The selection was done without replacement. So now, the first ball has been selected, that is, the red ball has been selected. So to decrease the total number of balls to 1, initially there were 2 red balls. Now we have taken 1 of the red balls, so we'll be left with 1. And also, the total number of balls will also decrease by 1. So we have 10 of the remaining balls altogether. All means addition. probability of selecting a blue ball. So we have 5 blue balls divided by the sample space, which is 11. And means multiplication. Remember, a blue ball has been selected and it hasn't been replaced. So we'll be left with 4 blue balls. And then the total number of balls will also be left with 10. All means addition. Probability of selecting a white ball. Total number of white balls will have 4 divided by the sample space, and means multiplication. The ball was not replaced. So the total number of white balls have been reduced to 3. And then the total number of balls has also been reduced to 10. So now let's simplify. 2 times 1, that is the numerator, we have 2. The denominator, 11 times 10, we have 110. Plus 5 times 4, 20 on 110. 4 times 3, we have 12 divided by 110. These are like fractions. These are like fractions. So we just add the numerators and divide by one of the denominators. So 2 plus 20, we have 22 plus 12. So that is 34 divided by 110. See that there is a common fraction which is not in the lowest form. So when we reduce to the lowest form, I think the common denominator here is or the common factor here is 2. So when you divide the numerator and denominator by 2, we have 17 on 55. 17 on 55. So the right answer is option B. Please like, comment and share the video.